Hello everyone, Austin with Sun Fun Kits. I just wanted guys sort of give you an overview, small update on the trailer build. So we're moving right along. We installed a little 10-inch tablet that lets us monitor stuff like batteries and inverters and so on and so forth. So the next thing we did was we mounted the inverter, and I'll back up so you can sort of see how that's set up. Basically, this is a cabinet, and underneath is the inverter. Now, this trailer did come with a conduit already set from the factory, so that goes up to the roof and comes down. And we mounted the LV6548, which is going to be our inverter. This is a 6,000 watt 48 volt inverter, so it should be more than enough to run everything, including 2 air conditioning units running at the same time with the fridge, all at the same time. So a couple things to note. This particular inverter is not spaced for 16 on center spacing, which is the standard for most things in the US. So because of that, we have to put a 1/8-inch thick aluminum brace all around horizontally, and they go into studs on the actual trailer structure itself. So when they go into the studs, it basically we still require something sturdy that we need to screw it on. So it provides a base for the bolts to screw on, and we do the same thing for the bottom. And once that is on there with along with the bolts that go in from the top in, this is very sturdy. I mean, it will not budge. So you'd have to break your trailer before they come out. So as far as mounting is concerned, the trailer is mounted, has a small, slight 1/8-inch air gap between, so plenty of ventilation both sides. So we'll be able to do that. We're gonna actually have a vent cut from the outside, and that will allow any if it does turn on any air difference in temperature, it will be able to vent out. So that will be done, and then still plenty of room for the batteries to go underneath, and we'll have a little shelf unit. So as far as this portion of the build is concerned, it is done. We'll start on the solar panels probably next week and run those wires down to here, and then the final portion of the install is basically going to be the the exterior receptacle and hooking up to the gen port switch, so that when the inverter's on, the standard electrical system is going to basically think a generator is running and providing feed and switch over to the inverter. Okay, thank you.